How important are blood labs for GLP-1?
So this is a really interesting question because for anyone that knows my work within the wellness industry, I have been a big proponent of blood lab technology since day one. As a matter of fact, when I started my career 35 years ago, I actually helped do some laboratory assays for the first generation of home glucose monitors. So I've really been a big fan of using bloods because a colleague of mine who's a physician told me once when I interviewed him that over 90% of physicians' decisions for healthcare are based on the results of blood labs. So trainers would probably want to use blood labs, especially for GLP-1 patients, because it's going to guide them as to the type of exercise, the intensity of exercise, the duration of exercise, the modality. All of these types of things that go into the exercise prescription are now going to have not just based on body composition or blood pressure, they're going to be based on blood labs. And they don't have to be technical. We'll talk about that in our next video. But they are going to become extremely important for the industry in terms of how trainers can have access to them and how they can interpret them for their exercise prescription.
And where can I learn more about blood labs for GLP-1?
Actually, when you log on to medhealthfit.com and go to the GLP-1 program, you are going to see that we have an offer for our for our groups of people who order GLP-1. You are going to get at no extra charge our blood lab wellness specialist as part of the course. So you're going to learn a lot more about blood labs than you thought you would. So log on to medhealthfit.com.